Warning: it is important that before performing this or any other safety or service procedure on any Marathon product, that the person performing the work has both read and firmly understands the parts and service manual as well as the product operator's manual, including the detailed safety instructions that accompany this product. It is up to you to ensure safe operations and processes. You cannot outsource safety. If there is anything that's unclear or that you don't understand, do not attempt to operate the equipment or perform any of the service or maintenance tasks called out in this video. Quarantine the area, walk away from the product, and contact your supervisor immediately for clarification. It is also important to ensure you're wearing the appropriate personal protective equipment, hereafter referred to as PPE, before beginning this or any other service or maintenance procedure. This video is provided for informational purposes only and is not intended to be a comprehensive guide in any fashion. This video is not a substitute for proper training, qualification, and experience. Marathon makes no warranty, guarantee, or promise by virtue of this video or the information herein. Please see applicable Marathon product warranty statements. Please consult your workplace safety policies and relevant operations and service manuals. This video is intended to inform experienced technicians of generalized conditions that may occur on some units and to provide information that could assist in the proper servicing of a unit. It is solely up to each technician to ensure safety of the workplace and the work process. Always watch the video in its entirety before beginning any service operation. Hey, I'm Travis Wallen, the Service Guru here at Marathon Equipment. Thanks for joining me at the Service Shack. On behalf of everyone at Marathon Equipment, we thank you for choosing our line of products. Today we want to show you how to adjust the MultiCycle counters and RAM extend retract timer in the PLC settings on your Marathon RJ100SC, RJ250SC, and the SE Squared self-contained compactors. This process can also be used to set the PLC settings on one of your legacy products, the RJ88 self-contained compactor. Before we begin, ensure that you have the proper PPE required for your facility. At a minimum, we suggest eye protection, gloves, safety shoes, and earplugs, but always follow your company's PPE guidelines. If the compactor is operating, it must first be shut down by the standard stopping procedure. To adjust the MultiCycle counter selection, you will need to complete the following process. First, press the menu button on the PLC display. Next, press the arrow up or down button to select the flashing parameter text and press the OK button. Then press the arrow up button until CC2 is flashing, and press the arrow left button until P0001 is flashing. You can now use the arrow down or arrow up buttons to select the default cycle count your self-contained compactor will enact each time it is enabled. To confirm your selection, first press the OK button. You will then be asked to confirm the changes. Press the OK button again to confirm. Then press the menu button to exit the screen. To adjust the RAM extend retract timer, you must complete the following process. First, press the menu button on the PLC display. Next, press the up or down arrow button until you get to parameter and press the OK button. To set the RAM extend timer, press the up or down arrow button until TT1 is flashing and press the right arrow button to select it. You will then use the up or down arrow button until the desired time is flashing. To confirm your selection, press the OK button. You will then see yes text blinking on your screen, and you will press the OK button one more time to confirm the new RAM extend timer. To set the RAM retract timer, press the up or down arrow button until TT2 is flashing and press the right arrow button to select it. You will then use the up-down arrow button until the desired time is flashing. To confirm your selection, press the OK button. You will then see yes text blinking on your screen, and you will press the OK button one more time to confirm the new RAM retract timer. Once you have finished adjusting the RAM extend retract timers, press the menu button to return to the normal operation screen. To ensure maximum capacity, the recommended timer settings for your self-contained compactor are as follows. For SC Squared compactors, the RAM stop rear should be 25 TT1 and 17 TT2. The RAM stop forward should be 17 TT1 and 25 TT2. For the RJ250SC series of compactors, including the Ultra, WD, and HT variations, the ram stop rear should be 19 TT1 and 13 TT2. The ram stop forward should be 13 TT1 and 19 TT2. For RJ100SC compactors, the ram stop rear should be 21 TT1 and 16 TT2. The ram stop forward should be 16 TT1 and 21 TT2. For RJ88SC compactors, the ram stop rear should be 27 TT1 and 17 TT2. The ram stop forward should be 17 TT1 and 27 TT2. Once you have adjusted the timer settings, the final step is to start and operate the compactor to ensure everything is working as intended. That's it. Now you know how to adjust the multi-cycle counter and ram extend retract timer in your PLC settings on the RJ100SC, RJ250SC, and the SC squared compactors. If you have any questions, please contact Marathon Technical Services at 877-258-1105. Remember, we're here to help in any way we can. So be safe out there. We'll see you next time here at the Service Shack.